Welcome to the Financial Freedom Roadmap, your guide to navigating the 6 levels of wealth in 2026. Our video covers 3 main areas: understanding the stages of wealth, building a clear financial path, and achieving financial independence. Level 1 is financial dependence, where you rely on others and have no savings. The focus here is establishing a basic income and budgeting. Level 2 is financial stability, marked by a regular income and starting an emergency fund. Your primary goal is to reduce debt. Level 3, financial security, means your expenses are covered by savings and insurance is in place. The focus shifts to protecting your wealth. Level 4 is financial flexibility, where you have multiple income sources and the freedom to make choices. The main goal is to invest smartly. Level 5 is financial independence. Your passive income exceeds your expenses and work becomes optional. Focus on growing your assets. Finally, Level 6, financial abundance, means you have a wealth surplus and are building generational wealth. Your focus is now on legacy and impact. For 2026, our wealth strategy emphasizes AI-driven investments, building digital asset awareness, and global diversification for resilience. Key income growth strategies include continuously upskilling, developing side hustles, and leveraging AI tools to increase efficiency. For smart saving, utilize the 50/30/20 rule, automate your savings, and prioritize building a robust emergency fund. Investment basics include diversifying across stocks, real estate, and gold, utilizing mutual funds and ETFs, and practicing effective risk management. To secure your financial future, avoid common mistakes like overspending, a lack of diversification, and emotional investing. Useful tools for success include budgeting apps, reliable investment platforms, and leveraging AI financial advisors for personalized guidance. Your final action plan is simple. Set clear financial goals, consistently track your progress, and stay disciplined and consistent on your journey. In conclusion, financial freedom is a continuous journey. Start today and stay disciplined to reach your goals.